Some of it you learn the hard way, some of it you read on a page, and some of it comes from heartbreak. Most of it comes with age, and none of it ever comes easy. A bunch of it maybe can't use. I know I don't probably know what I think I do. There's something to some of it. Hey everyone, Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit like so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. To those of you who have subscribed and hit like and commented and stuff, I really appreciate it. If you guys have songs you'd like me to teach next, please just let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to oblige. Alright, so thanks so much for watching. Let's get into it. The song is in standard tuning. This is Some of It by Eric Church. Standard tuning and no capo. So it's really easy. You're just going to use a few basic chords the whole time and the same strumming pattern the entire song pretty much. So you're only going to use 4 chords, okay? You're going to use C, okay? You're also going to use F. You're going to use G. Either one works fine, but this is the one I used, okay? G. And you're going to use A minor. Alright, those are the only chords you're going to use. So at the intro part, you're just going to do C, F, C, and you notice that's an easy transition because I never have to lift up my ring finger, okay? So then you go, so you do C, F, C, okay, and then after the second C you're going to do G, okay, and then you're going to do A minor, G, and then you're going to do C. So sorry, I'm doing it for the verse, but the intro is just going to be C, F, C, G, okay? You're just going to play that through once, and then you're going to go into it. So it's beer, okay, beer is you play C on beer. Beer don't keep, love's not cheap, and trucks, okay, trucks is F. Trucks don't wreck themselves. Cells is C, okay, cells. Mama, okay, mama's G. Mama ain't a shrink, daddy ain't a bank. God, okay, God is A minor. God ain't a wishing well, okay, G as well. Well, money is C, okay. Money ain't rich, everybody sins, and nobody is F, okay. Nobody wins in a fight. Fight is C, okay. Fight. Sometimes, okay, sometimes is A minor. Sometimes wrong is G. Wrong is right. Okay, right is F. Okay, now the strumming pattern for this is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're just doing that the whole time. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're just doing that down, down, up. Okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. Okay, so it's just that really easy down, down, up. Now what I would do for the verses, I would play them softer. Then you play the chorus and the intro. For the intro, you're going to play, it just allows you to do the intro. Okay, you always want to play. You don't want to just play it all exactly the same because it doesn't have as much to it. It just sounds better if it's like, you know, songs usually do that. So you want to play it just softer on the verses than you do the chorus. The chorus is going to be the same strumming pattern, all right? But you're going to do, so you're going to play a little bit different chord progression. Okay, this time you're going to go C. Okay. Some is C. Okay, some of it learn the hard way. Some, okay, some is G. So the second some is G. Some of it read on a page. Some, okay, so the second some is A minor. Some of it comes from heartbreak. Most, okay, so then most is F. Most of it comes with age and none. Okay, then you repeat. So you're going to do C, G, A minor, F. Okay, and then you're going to repeat this. Almost, okay? So then you're going to go C is on none. And none of it ever comes easy. A bunch, okay, so that's G is bunch. Bunch of it you maybe can't use, I know. Okay, no is A minor. I know I don't probably know. Okay, that's G, no is G. Know what I think I do. Okay, I do is going to be F, do. But there's something to last some is C. Some of it. Okay, so then when you do that, I would just play the first part of the chorus again. So I just play C, again after the chorus to the verse, G, A minor, F. Okay, so then after you do that, you can go back into the verse and you'll do C. Okay, girls like to laugh, tears don't last, scared's what praying's for. Okay, so you're gonna go C, F, C, G. Okay. So yeah, then you go back into it like you did the other verse, then you play the chorus again. And for the solo, I'm not going to teach you how to play the solo on here because I feel like those should be videos in themselves. But if you, the solo part, you're going to do C, all right, same strumming pattern, F, G, F, okay, and then you're going to do C, then you're going to do F, okay, you're gonna have to like listen to it for the timing on that part, but basically if you just kind of play it through, if you're not playing it with the solo, it's totally fine. So if you're playing it for like in a campfire or something like that, so you can totally do that. So then for the bridge, this is the only part where you, like I would say to do the strumming pattern differently, is for the bridge I would just do single strums, but you can still do the same thing, the same strumming pattern. If you do the same strumming pattern, just do it soft. Okay. All right, so just do C is when you can take it slow, okay, then C again on because time sure won't. And then you're gonna do F, F on really, what really makes you a man. Man is C, okay? And then you're gonna do is being true, true is A minor, true to her till your glass is G, so that's easy to remember. Glass runs out of sand. Sand is F, okay? And then you go into the chorus. Some of it learn the hard way, some of it read on a page, and some of it comes from heartbreak. Most of it comes from age, and none of it. Okay, that's how the song goes. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments or anything. If there's other songs you'd like to learn and stuff. Thanks so much for watching, for subscribing, for everything. I really do appreciate it. You guys are awesome. The channel's been growing a lot lately, so I really do appreciate it. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. It's been a lot of fun, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.